16 Haziran 2022. Polis ekipleri bir vatandaştan gelen ihbar ile harekete geçti. İhbarda bir araç içinde şüpheli hareketler yapan 2 kişi olduğunu ve madde kokusu geldiğini söyledi. Hırsızlık şüphesi olan adamın birçok suç dosyası da vardı. İhbarı alan ekipler hemen olay yerine intikal etti.
I just picked it up. I'm doing work for him. I understand.
I see driver's license, please. Proof of insurance.
With me. Listen, I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't have one. I'm working to get it back. I'm a single father. I'm doing what I can.
You have any ID whatsoever?
Just credit cards with my name on them, and I got an unpaid that's gonna show up in warrant, man.
You have some ID on you, ma'am?
Yeah, she does.
Can I see some ID, please?
I don't have it. I do not have a card.
So neither of you are carrying any ID on
I
you?
got my credit cards with my name on them. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Well, I could have credit cards with somebody's name on them too.
Right. I got a social security card here.
So let me see what you got there as far as ID.
I got my gas fuel cards, social security card, my direct express card. I mean, like I said, if you run me, it's gonna come back to a warrant, man.
And you're David.
Yes, sir. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you. If you just give me a break.
Well, we'll discuss that in a moment. All right, you can have this back.
Okay.
And miss, you have no ID on you?
I'm gonna look. I'm gonna look. Are you gonna run him?
Well, what's your social security number?
I don't know if I heard. I had a stroke. I had a stroke about a year ago.
I'm gonna give you one chance. I'm gonna give you one chance. All right, don't lie to me about who you are.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
It's your only chance to be truthful. You got it? What's your name?
Holly.
Holly what? Holly what? I'll be right with you. Hold on, please. He's wanted out of the sheriff's office. He's got all kind of warrants. He's got to have like 4 of them. Sheriff's office, Twinsburg, Parma, Morgan County, SR. Call Rocky River Home Depot.
Calling the Home Depot.
This call may be recorded. Tell me how I can help.
Customer service. Customer service. Customer service. Customer service.
To connect you to the right person, briefly describe what you're calling about.
Manager. Store manager.
I'll connect you with someone who can help.
I hate these voice prompts. Hi, this is the Rocky River. Hi, it's the Rocky River Police Department.
Yes?
We're out with somebody. Did you guys just have somebody walk out the doors with a pressure washer?
Oh.
We just stopped a car like 5 minutes ago, and they got a brand new pressure washer, and I don't believe he has a receipt. He would have just left your store within the last 10 minutes.
Okay, let me check with another register. Hold on 1 second.
Did you see him come out?
How to risk your
Yeah, I saw him come out carrying that. I was sitting over by the garden center watching him.
No one saw anything, so he might have been very sneaky. It could have happened that he walked by, yeah.
All right, thanks.
Hey, get over here. Where are you gonna go? Where do you think you're gonna go? You better get on the ground right now. Get on the ground.
23 to radio. Give me another car. I got this female fighting with 9.
Get off me! I can't breathe. Get off me! I can't breathe.
Lay down. Lay down.
I can't breathe.
Don't move.
Get your hand behind your back right now.
Stop, please.
Get your hand behind your back right now. Lay down.
Please stop. Please stop.
23, we're at Aldi's. Hands behind your back.
Please stop. Leave my shoulders go in a second. Stop.
You just picked up a felony.
Please stop. Stop. I can't breathe. Stop.
You can breathe fine.
No.
Şüpheli kadın korkudan bir anda kaçmaya başladı. Tanımadığı bir kişinin arabasına binmeye çalışan kadın bir de polise sopa ile vurdu. Amerikan kanunlarında bu çok büyük bir suç.
Hand behind your back right now.
Stop. Okay. Sir, stop. I gotta go to the hospital.
Flip over behind your back.
No. Hospital. Ma'am, call 911, please. Please.
Go ahead, come.
No.
Do not resist. Do not resist.
Come on a second. Sir, no. Let me up, please. Oh, please.
You got her?
Yeah. Not bleeding, am I? She whacked me in the temple with that thing.
No. Stand up. You got it? We're not going to play games. Let's go.
Polis akademilerinde öğretilen kontrol ve etkisiz hale getirme teknikleri dışarıdan sert görünse de resmi eğitimle uygulanır. Sert müdahale ile polis şiddeti farklı kavramlardır.
You just picked up a felony. Assault on a police officer. Get in the car. Sit in the car.
Got it in the car. Okay. All right.
Were you in this car, ma'am? Are you okay? Did she say anything to you, or? Okay. All right, don't go anywhere till I can guide you, okay? Thanks.
Dad,
You all right?
that lady in that Mercedes, want to get a statement from her? Yeah. She should. This girl tried to jump in her passenger seat. No, it was straightforward. She just jumped out of the car, took off with a jack handle in her hand, and turned around, swung at me, clipped me in the side of the head, and tried to get in that car, and that's about it.
All right, we got to get him out of the car. He's got warrants as well, and we'll go from there.
You send fire up here to all.
All right, now I'm sure you're aware of your warrants, right?
Yeah.
All right, step on out.
So what do
Set everything up here.
What do I have for warrants?
Okay. All right, you got a bunch of them. All right, I'm sure you're aware. Leave everything up on the hood.
All right, Nick.
All right, everything up there. All right. Good.
So what is all my warrants for?
All right, you have too many to list.
No, ain't no way.
Oh, you've got at least 4 of them.
It's got to be Dave Jr. Ain't no way I got 4.
Your picture. Unless you gave me bad info on who you are.
No, sir. Would never do that.
Anything on you?
No, sir. No, sir.
Anything I'm gonna get stuck with?
Nope.
Or any
I don't-
weapons in the car?
Nope. I don't play like that.
No weapons, all right? Anything in the car you're not supposed to have? Drugs, needles?
No, hell no.
All right?
Hell no.
Oh, well, I can tell she's on something, all right?
All right,
I don't want to, listen, you're with her, all right? So you know what she's doing.
They were fighting.
I don't want one of these guys to get poked when we start looking in the car.
Oh, no, you ain't got to worry about that.
You got it? All right.
That's a fact.
Once we heard they were
Could you grab my phone and stuff?
We'll get it in a minute.
All right. So what's my warrant? I don't know.
You got numerous warrants.
What do you mean by numerous, though? There's only 2 that I know.
Have a seat.
What happened?
I stopped the car. They were at Home Depot. Saw this guy walk out with a pressure washer in the back of the car. Expired plates, warrants on the owner. Stop it. Right away, they both, yeah. She was real shy about giving me info. He gave me his. So as I'm running it, Greg's watching him. At the last second, just as I'm calling it in, she hops out of the car, takes off. He goes to grab her, carrying the jack handle. Turns around, whacks him in the head with the jack.
Huh?
She's in my car?
She's in my car. He's in your car.
Oh.
I'm getting his stuff.
How do you want to proceed with that?
I don't know. We can probably, it's felony, so I don't know if it really matters that much. But she definitely turned around and whacked him in the head with that. So I didn't even get to run through everything because she took off and started this whole thing. So, and obviously I want to find out what's going on with the pressure washer. He has no receipt, but I called Home Depot. That's who I was on the phone with. I was trying to talk to you because they wouldn't answer. And they said they didn't see anything. So we'll go from there. So where's your receipt for that power washer?
It should be on the front seat.
On the front seat.
Yep.
Stopped the car.
Who did?
I did. Expired plates, shows warrants. They were Home Depot. I think he stole that pressure washer that's in there. As we're IDing them, she hops out of the car, takes off, tries to get in that Mercedes over there.
driver.
Passenger. She takes off, tries to get in that car. She's carrying a jack handle. As Greg goes to grab her, she turns around and whacks Greg in the head with the jack handle.
Where's Greg?
He's over here somewhere.
Is he okay?
Yeah, he's fine. She just grazed him, but she had a weapon in her hand and swung at him.
Oh, yeah.
We had a fight with her outside of the car. She's got a little bit of road rash. Hey, I got a quick question. Come here. They can deal with that. So our question is, since the assault took place in Fairview, do you want Fairview to handle the felony assault?
Yep.
he's fine, but he did get whacked in the head. So
What about her?
she's got some road rash from rolling around. She was fighting with us, resisting arrest. So that's where we're at.
stopped it. Greg was right with you,
Yeah.
behind you.
And then as we're IDing him, she hops out of the car and takes off. And then tries hopping into that lady's car.
Like somebody was in the car. She
Yeah,
tries to get in
yeah.
Like to steal it.
I don't know what she was trying to do.
In the driver's seat or
She tried to get in the passenger seat, and the lady was in the driver's seat. So she tried jumping in that car. So
crazy.
Come on. Get your feet underneath you. Don't fall. Don't play that game. Get your feet under you. Walk with me. Don't start throwing yourself on the ground.
Straight your legs.
And you're the owner of the car, and she jumped in the car.
Yeah, she opened the front passenger side door and tried to get in, and the two policemen apprehended her and
Right.
pulled her out before.
Okay.
So.
Okay. Well, you got your key there. I thought it was a mace
Oh,
for
no.
a minute. I'm like,
No.
whoa,
Oh, no.
you're ready to go.
No.
All right.
Anything else you need?
No, that's it. We'll contact you if we need any further information. We appreciate it. You're okay?
Yep.
You're not
Yep.
harmed or you don't need an ambulance or anything?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine. Yep.
All right.
Yep.
Sure it was a surprise to you as it
Yeah,
was to
I
us.
was like,
So.
holy cow!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
Yeah, because I had just turned the car on to leave.
Right.
So, but,
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
If
thank
you need
very
anything,
much.
call us,
All
okay?
right, thank you.
At least she didn't break my glasses. I would have been pissed.
you got a camera? Somebody grab a camera. We got paraphernalia. We got felony drugs.
Are the drugs in there?
Yeah. I've got
I'll go see if I have some bags.
I got felony drugs here. I'm sure that's something. I don't want this blown away. I'll take this whole thing back. I'm gonna set it here.
Did Home Depot confirm or?
What do you think? They're clueless. So
I mean, it would be easy to confirm whether you had a purchase of that in the last 5 minutes.
Yeah, he claims the receipt was in here. Yeah, I got all kind of needles in here.
All right, I've got plastic bags in the Sharps container if you need one. Is she getting transported?
Yeah, I'll need a Sharps container.
Here, you want this now or later?
I'm gonna grab everything in a minute. Let me just see what's here first.
Is this first staying here with the car or is that going to? Gonna scratch this guy some sights and stuff?
Yeah, eventually I can't do everything. All I know is she ran up to the door holding that pipe and tried climbing in the car. And then at that point, Greg grabbed her, and after you told her, come back here, she turned around, swung at him, hit him in the head with it. And at that time, the fight was on. So go over to Home Depot and see if they can find anything regarding this guy buying this power washer.
Okay.
We're going to tow this back. We'll hold on to it.
Receipt?
He doesn't have a receipt. I can't find it anywhere in there. I called them, but trying to talk to them on the phone is clueless because they're just... Where'd the receipt go between Home Depot and here? I looked. I couldn't find it. Well, we'll be able to find you at the register on their videotape, so we'll go from there.
Start at like 3:45. I'll meet you at the station around unless you need it.
Yeah, that's fine. We can go from there. As soon as Kufner gets here.
David, uyuşturucu bulundurmaktan suçlandı ve mahkeme kararıyla dosyası sonlandırıldı. Büyük ihtimalle bir rehabilitasyon programına yönlendirildi. Öte yandan Holly'nin durumu daha ciddi. Bir polis memuruna saldırı, gözaltına direnme ve uyuşturucu ekipmanı bulundurma suçlamalarıyla karşı karşıya. $400.000 kefaletle serbest kalan Holly, 5 yıla varan hapis cezasıyla karşı karşıya.